Good morning. I'm Jen Amos at Weiss Research.
I'm Andy Myers, and this is your morning market alert for Thursday, January 27th. Stock futures are pointing to a flat open on Wall Street. The Dow Jones Industrial Average may test the 12,000 mark again, after crossing that level for the first time in more than 2 years yesterday. It's a busy day for investors. They're digesting data on jobless claims and durable goods orders, and awaiting a reading of November pending home sales due out later this morning. In addition, the earnings calendar is packed again, with Procter Gamble, Colgate-Palmolive, Caterpillar, AT&T, Altria, and Eli Lilly all out with quarterly results. Starbucks, Qualcomm, and Netflix may also be in focus after they posted numbers last night. And after today's closing bell, we'll hear from Microsoft and Amazon.com, among others.
First, let's talk about the earnings winners. Caterpillar is gaining nearly 3% after fourth quarter net income more than quadrupled, easily beating Wall Street estimates. The construction equipment maker also boosted its profit outlook for the full year above previous forecasts. One of the biggest stock advancers today is likely to be Netflix. It's soaring 13% in the pre-market after posting better than expected results in the last quarter and the outlook for the current quarter. The DVD rental company said it passed 20 million subscribers as more customers signed up for its new streaming-only plan. Following the news, Morgan Keegan upgraded Netflix to market perform, and Oppenheimer boosted its price target on the stock. Qualcomm got the same treatment from those analysts after its earnings release last night. It topped estimates with a 40% increase in profit, as demand for wireless devices powered sales of the company's technologies. Right now, shares of Qualcomm are jumping 6%.
Two other companies in the mobile phone space are not doing as well this morning. Shares of AT&T are dropping 3% after it reported a 60% decline in fourth quarter profit. The drop was due mainly to accounting charges related to its pension program and employee severance. Meanwhile, Nokia is tumbling more than 6%, despite a smaller than expected drop in earnings. The Finnish company said sales and margins at its handset division will be under pressure next quarter as it loses market share to firms like Apple and HTC. Another decliner this morning is one of the world's biggest consumer products makers. Procter Gamble reported a nearly 30% decline in its quarterly profit, but core earnings were in line with expectations. Right now, P&G shares are losing nearly 3%.
Finally, as you have your morning coffee, take a look at shares of Starbucks. They're dropping more than 2% after it warned that costs for commodities such as coffee, milk, and sugar will take a toll on its bottom line going forward. In addition to all the earnings news today, we're also watching the currency markets. The yen is tumbling against the US dollar after Standard & Poor's downgraded Japan's long-term sovereign debt rating. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the economic data and market reaction.